Sodium bicarbonate, the millennial secret that can transform your health. 7 proven benefits. Did you know that a simple ingredient hidden in your kitchen can be the key to improving your health in surprising ways? Today, I'm going to reveal the 7 medicinal uses of sodium bicarbonate that will change your life. And it's not just me saying this. Thousands of people have already proven the incredible benefits of this magical powder. Come with me and discover how baking soda can be your ally for a healthier life. Hi, here on the Benefits of Natural Health channel, we believe that health starts with small daily changes. And today, I'm going to show you how sodium bicarbonate, the same one you use to clean your house, can be a powerful natural remedy. But first, if you're not yet subscribed, click here and join our family. Let's walk together on this journey of health and well-being. Benefit 1. Combats heartburn and acid reflux. Let's start with a problem that affects millions of people: heartburn and acid reflux. Sodium bicarbonate is a natural antacid that neutralizes stomach acid, relieving that annoying burning sensation. A teaspoon in half a glass of water, 30 minutes before meals, can work wonders. And check out Maria's testimony, who used this tip and got rid of heartburn in just a few days. But how does it work? Baking soda acts as a buffer, balancing the stomach's pH and reducing acidity. It's like it puts out the fire of heartburn. And the best part, it's fast. In just a few minutes, you'll feel relief. Just don't overdo it, because too much can cause side effects like bloating and gas. Benefit 2. Body detoxification. The second benefit is body detoxification. When you mix baking soda with lemon, you create an alkalizing drink that helps eliminate toxins, heavy metals, and even improves skin appearance. It's like a natural detox you can do at home. And the best part, it's super easy. Just half a lemon and a pinch of baking soda in a glass of water every morning. But why does this work? Lemon, despite being acidic, has an alkalizing effect on the body when metabolized. Baking soda helps balance the blood's pH, making it easier to eliminate impurities. And the results are incredible: more energy, clearer skin, and even weight loss. Check out what Fernanda, from Belo Horizonte, told me. She started taking this mixture and, in 2 weeks, already felt more energetic and had glowing skin. Benefit 3. Kidney health. Did you know that baking soda can be a great ally for your kidneys? Studies prove that it helps neutralize acidity in the blood, reducing the kidney's workload and even preventing kidney disease. Check out what João, from Sao Paulo, told me. He was about to start dialysis, but began taking baking soda, and in just 1 month, his test results improved drastically. But how does this happen? Baking soda acts as a pH regulator, helping to balance blood acidity. This is especially important for those with kidney problems, as the kidneys don't have to work as hard to filter toxins. And the best part, it's a simple and affordable solution you can do at home. Benefit 4. Relief from urinary tract infections. Anyone who suffers from urinary tract infections knows how painful they can be. But baking soda can be the solution. It alkalizes the body, creating an environment that's hostile to bacteria. A glass of water with a teaspoon of baking soda a day can relieve symptoms and prevent new infections. And check out Anna's testimony, who got rid of recurrent infections with this simple tip. But why does this work? The bacteria that cause urinary infections can't survive in alkaline environments. Baking soda helps create this environment, reducing bacterial growth and relieving symptoms. And the best part, it's a natural solution with no side effects. Benefit 5. Improves physical performance. For sports enthusiasts, baking soda is a performance secret. It reduces the buildup of lactic acid in the muscles, delaying fatigue and improving post-workout recovery. A study from the University of Saarl in Germany showed that athletes who consumed baking soda increased their endurance by 4 minutes. Amazing, right? But how does this happen? During exercise, our muscles produce lactic acid, which causes that feeling of tiredness and soreness. Baking soda helps neutralize this acid, allowing you to train longer and recover faster. And the best part, it's a natural solution without the need for expensive supplements. Benefit 6. Oral health. Baking soda is also a powerful ally for oral health. It fights bad breath, prevents plaque buildup, and even whitens teeth. But be careful, use it no more than twice a week to avoid damaging tooth enamel. And check out Carla's testimony, who improved her gingivitis with baking soda gargles. But why does this work? Baking soda has antibacterial and mild abrasive properties, which help remove plaque and stains from teeth. And the best part, it's a cheap and effective solution you can do at home. Benefit 7. Relief from nasal congestion and sinusitis. Last but not least, baking soda is a natural remedy for sinusitis and nasal congestion. A solution of water and baking soda can clear your sinuses, eliminating mucus and bacteria. And the best part, no need for chemical decongestants, which can be addictive. Check out what Pedro from Curitiba told me. He got rid of chronic sinusitis with this simple technique. But how does this work? Baking soda helps alkalize the nasal passages, reducing inflammation and congestion. And the best part, it's a natural solution with no side effects. Precautions and contraindications. But be careful. Baking soda isn't for everyone. People with high blood pressure, heart problems, or pregnant women should avoid excessive consumption. Always consult a doctor before starting any natural treatment. Moderation is the key to enjoying the benefits without risks. So, did you like these tips? Sodium bicarbonate is truly a powerful ally for your health. If you want more content like this, click the like button, share this with someone who needs to know about it, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any tips. And if you already use baking soda, tell us in the comments how it has changed your life. A big hug, and see you in the next video. Remember, health is our greatest treasure. And with small daily changes, we can transform our lives. See you next time.